Hello everybody. So I got my summer FabFitFun box in the mail and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the box looks like this, and I've had this for quite some time, so I've already gone through a bunch of stuff. But the first thing I got was this spiritual gangster Maya kimono. So the difference between this and the kimono that I got in my other box was this one's very like thin and light. If you can see. And so it's better for like this summer, I guess, where it's warmer. And this is $60. So it says, made of rayon fabric to keep you cool, this kimono is a summer essential that can be dressed up or down. It features soft, comfortable front pockets and a belt, so you can wear it multiple ways. So it's pretty cool, I guess. I like kimonos. So I'll put that over here. And the next thing that I got, these skin masks. So there's 5 of them. And I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it's 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, set of 5. So I'm not a big skin mask person. And it says these are $160. So that is not normally something I would ever buy. It says all that glitters is gold, and this decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features 24 karat gold and damask rose extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. So if I'm buying something that's 24 karat gold, it's gonna be jewelry, not face masks. But I don't know, some people really love face masks. Like my sister, she is obsessed with them. So to each his own, I guess. The next thing that I got were these wine glasses. Oh, and so another thing that I forgot to mention is a thing different about this box is I didn't customize anything. So I just had them surprise me with all of the things, because usually you get like 3 things you can customize, and I just said surprise me for all 3. So these, I guess, oh, the bag is like coming off on them. Interesting. So they're made of silicone, and they're like super squishy, so I guess you can pack them for like a picnic or like anything. They don't smell super plasticky, which is good. And these are the Odime set of 2 silicone wine glasses, $25. What an unbreakable pair. These silicone wine glasses are perfect to drink your favorite wine on the go. So that's something I'll probably definitely use eventually. And the next thing that I got, I'm like pulling it up on my laptop, everything, because I accidentally threw away the little piece of paper that you get that tells you everything. Okay, so this is the Ico London Eye Dew Black Liquid Eyeliner. So I've said this before, and I will say it again. I'm not a big eye makeup person. I don't usually wear mascara, eyeshadow, eyeliner, any of that stuff. I do put concealer under my eyes, and I wear some blush and some like chapstick or lip gloss, but that is about it as far as my makeup routine goes. If I'm doing something really fancy or special, then yeah, like twice a year I will dress up my eyes, but and I've put that in my profile that I don't like makeup, but I think this is something that everyone got in their box. So this is $22. It says a smooth application, carbon black finish, and contains wide lash with a tripeptide boost to promote lash growth. Yep, this eyeliner hits the trifecta. So that's cool that it promotes eyelash growth, but I have to wonder, would my eyelashes grow better using this than just like not putting anything on them at all? I don't know. So interesting. So that was $22. I think I said that. And the next thing I got, okay, the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So this I've actually tried out already. It came in this little box. So I've used this twice so far, and the first time was in the morning before work. I used it quickly to wash my face, and I honestly didn't really notice any crazy difference. I really like things that are exfoliating, that like your skin feels really soft afterwards. I didn't feel like that with this. It also is really hard to feel the like exfoliating particles in it that would polish it. But the second time I used it was in the shower, and I used a lot of it, and I really scrubbed hard and took more time with it, and that time I felt a difference. So it's just more of like a time consuming thing than I would normally use. Let's put it this way, it's not something I would add to my like daily beauty routine because it just is, it takes too much time. So that's that. Oh, and this was the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish, $57. So that right there is like more than the price of the whole box. But again, I would never go out and buy this product. I would never spend $57 on this. So, but I don't know, maybe some people really like it. So the next thing was, oh, so these I actually liked a lot. Some of them are missing because I've been using them, but it's the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring. And it comes with 6, 3 of this like nude color, and then 3 of this like clear kind. And these are $16. The answer to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. So the thing I like about these is after you wear them in your hair for a long time, like they stretch really big. And then see how it goes right back to its shape? I wore one in my hair up in like a bun for a while. Might have been like overnight, and then the next morning I took it out and it was like all stretched out, and I was like, that's a bummer. But then it gradually like shrank back up. So they do return to their original size. They don't get stretched out. It's not like a one-use thing like I thought when I originally used it. So these are really cool. I like them. Okay, the next thing was the, see I used it, I got some clay on the name, but it's the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Clay Mask. And it actually is like a purple lilac color. This is $39, and it says packed with hydrating desert lime, cleansing bentonite clay, rejuvenating Davidson plum, and aloe vera. The mask will revitalize dull, tired skin for a brighter complexion. So I did get to try this out, and I like it. And like I said with the gold sheet masks, I'm not a big mask person. But if I had to choose, I would always choose a clay mask over a sheet mask, just because when you put a sheet mask on, you have to lay there and nap or whatever it is you do while you're letting it sit there. And a clay mask, I can throw it on my face and clean my house, do the dishes, do homework, whatever I need to get done, because you can move around with this and just let it dry and then rinse it off when it's done drying. Yeah, so this one definitely is better than the sheet mask in my opinion. Like this is something I'll use more. And only $39 compared to, what was the other one, $160, and I'll probably get more than 5 uses out of this for sure. So, okay, the next thing that I got, it's not turning. Where did I put that? Okay, so the next thing I got was the Wish exfoliating foot mask for $32, and it looked like this. And unfortunately, I can't find it. I just spent like an hour searching my house and no luck. So not really sure where it wound up. I never actually even got a chance to try it out. But this was $32. Get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate, and polish for your softest feet ever. So a foot mask. I've never heard of a foot mask. I've never used a foot mask before, but that's now the third mask. So I have the gold sheet masks and the purple clay mask, and now a foot mask. That's a lot of masks in one box for a girl that doesn't use masks. But hopefully I will eventually find this and get to use it. And see if it works really well. So, okay, so the next thing that I got was also the last thing in my box, and it's this Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. And it says spray all day. So this is $25.95, and it says craving a midday refresher. Just a spritz of the rose infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. So that's pretty fun. So yeah, overall, this whole box I paid $49.99, and the total value of my box was $436.95. which is pretty cool, except for the fact that I probably would never buy, I would say, a majority of the things in this box. So I would never buy the facial spray, foot mask, clay mask, sheet masks, eyeliner, and the micro polish face wash. So that's 6 things out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. So will I use the things I got? Yeah, just because I have them. I may try some of them once and then give them to some of my sisters or some of my friends so they don't go to waste and sit in my bathroom drawer and collect dust. So I actually unsubscribed from FabFitFun after receiving this box. That's not to say I won't resubscribe in the future. I just didn't really connect with this box, and it's been kind of like one box after the next. I haven't really been super satisfied with everything that I received. So just to spend, $50 when I'm not really using a lot of the products. But I may resubscribe in the future, like I said. So I felt personally like I don't need to be spending $50 on random things that aren't really gonna get used regularly by me. But that's not to say that someone else may really, really enjoy getting little random beauty products that they wouldn't normally buy and getting to use them and try them and add to their growing collection of beauty supplies. So, and another reason I'm unsubscribing is I'm just really trying to declutter my life, and constantly receiving things that I may not necessarily need or use just isn't really what I'm looking for right now. So yeah, I am subscribed from FabFitFun, but maybe there will be more subscriptions in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.